Bengaluru witnessed a vibrant showcase of India's food and beverage startups this week at the F&B Startup Showcase and Pitch Stage at Tripura Vasini Palace Ground. This event was a part of the National Expo series, including the Food and Drink Expo, Food Confluence, India Horeca Export, India Food Pack Export, and Bakers Technology Fair. The platform gave emerging startups a chance to present innovative products, technologies, and business models while connecting with investors, mentors, and industry leaders. Discussions highlighted trends like ready-to-eat, ready-to-cook meals, sustainable packaging, chef-less kitchens, and new dining experiences. Panels focused on challenges and opportunities in food waste management, renewable energy adoption, and evolving service models in hospitality. Organizers emphasized that such expos play a crucial role in scaling startups, forming strategic partnership, and driving sustainable growth across India's F&B sector. With networking, collaboration, and knowledge sharing at the heart of the series, India's food startups are taking center stage in shaping future of the industry.
This event is all about bringing in the HoReCa segment together. HoReCa means hotel, restaurants, and catering operators together. Well, they're here to display the products, the produce, the innovative ideas, the innovative missionaries, and they're also bringing in people from across the country and outside the country. This event is such important, for all the F&B operators to come down and get benefited of, to get themselves exposed to the new ingredients, new methodology, new concepts, and so on and so forth. As we speak now, we are standing in front of one lovely a tofu place, it's basically made with soy milk. So it's an innovative product. It's a replacement for paneer. So a lot of people are getting into health-based food now. So tofu will definitely replace paneer. So this is a wonderful exhibition, and I urge all the F&B professionals across the country to come in, take part, and get benefited.
How many companies are participating like that?
We got about close to 175 stalls, which has been rented out by the organizers, and we have people from Jammu Kashmir to Kerala, and across the Indian states, people have come down here to showcase their products and produce to the public of Karnataka, and I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful take for all of them.
So how many days this event is going to be?
It's a 3 days affair, starting today, which is 20th of January, goes on till the 22nd of January, 28th, 21st and 22nd of January.
Is it only for the professions or even the housemakers can also come?
It is open for public. Even the housewives can come in. The to-be entrepreneurs can come and take part, and they can actually plan their business. The established entrepreneurs can also come in. Hotels can come in. Restaurants, cafes, bars, breweries, anything to do with F&B, food and beverage. This is going to be the place, and I'm sure this exhibition has taken has changed over the years, and it is taken into the limelight where people will get benefited.
I am from KEPEC, Karnataka State Agriculture Produce Export Corporation Limited. So KEPEC is a state nodal agency for implementing PMFME scheme, Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises. So here we have taken one pavilion called Startup Pavilion. There we have given free stalls for around 10 beneficiaries. So we have given free stalls for almost 10 beneficiaries who are manufacturing different kinds of products. One of them are, you can see here, super nuts from the groundnut. They have done some coatings to that groundnut and done some ready-to-eat products like snacks kind of things, and also in millets, millet ice creams they have done, and so many millet cookies, millet snacks, so many varieties of millet products they have manufactured. So the beauty of this scheme is they'll get up to 50% of subsidy under the scheme for the equipments for the missionaries which they purchase. So you can also ask one of our beneficiaries how they have utilized the scheme as well. Hi Yogita, you can please tell them how we have utilized the scheme and what are the benefits you have got through KEPEC, and where and all you have put the stalls. So you can please explain that.
I got to know this PMFME scheme by one exhibition only. In that I will get some details how we apply for loan and all. From Quebec only, one person will come and take all the details. Whatever necessity equipments we want, they will list out and make our customer easy to take loan from the banks. And we got subsidy about 15 lakhs from Quebec. We took 36 lakhs machinery, and our project is around 60 lakhs.
So how many people are working under you, and where's the plant set up? Which place are you from?
We are from Bengaluru only, sir. Bangalore, Jainagar. In production department, 6 to 8 members are working. Sales, it depends. 6 members are permanent. Another means we will took by promotions and all. Maybe 10 to 12. It depends on the event what we do.
So one more beauty of the scheme under the PMFME is whoever wants to start up their unit, they no need to worry where to go, how to apply, like how to start up their unit. So in each district there are district resource persons, DRPs. So they will do the handholding support from applying the application online and also speaking to the bank managers to sanction their loans, and up to till the sanctioning to disbursement, the DRPs will facilitate and handhold. And also if you are willing to start up any food enterprise or food industries, there are some certifications required like FSSI, Udyam registrations, and from getting all these certifications, the DRPs will guide and handhold those beneficiaries.
So what are the basic qualifications you require? What do you see in the background if a person wants to do a startup? What are the...
So there's no such kind of criteria as request. There's no educational qualification. Any person above 18 years can apply under the scheme. Their CIBIL score should be proper.
So what's the process? Imagine a person of 18 years, could be male or female, wants to apply. How's the process? Whom they need to approach?
So in all the districts there is Joint Director of Agriculture office. They can also go and visit our office, and or else we have our helpline numbers. So I can just tell the helpline numbers and show it to you. So this is the helpline number. They can contact and get the DRP's contact details. So through DRP they can apply online.
See, the food safety is required at this juncture in our India because the food business is growing. As the population grows, every streets you are finding more and more food outlets are coming. So all these people from 5-star to the footpath food stores, people should be made aware of the food safety and hygiene. So it is very essential for anybody who are doing the food business must and should have the food safety knowledge, which has been trained and instructed majorly by our food safety authority, FSSI, and people like us, consultants also having various programs to teach this food safety and hygiene by the way of vocational courses and other training classes and online classes. So we do also have a vocational course called Food Safety Compliance Master Track Certification, which teaches from farm to fork about food safety, ISO standards, auditing processes and the FSSAI regulations. So I request all the people to adhere to the food safety regulatory compliances and become a better nation.
This is Vidhi from Chandran Steels, and today I'm here to talk about our own Adisil Combi Oven. You know what is more special about Adisil Combi Oven? Adisil Combi Oven is the only combi oven which is completely made in India with BIS certificate. And Combi Oven is the complete solution for one restaurant, which the program in this Combi Oven is steamer, hot air and combination of both. So it's one complete solution for your complete commercial kitchen. So yeah, we'll move to a quick another wonderful machine of ours, which is Adisil Sirvan. Sirvan is a machine which is used for the live counters majorly, for all varieties of sweet making, halwa making, and you can also do the preparation for the any gravy preparation. Everything can be done. And being this an induction, though it is in the boiling point, it's completely, induction will never generate heat inside your kitchen. So it is totally Totally solution, again one solution, and you can minimize the manpower inside your kitchen and finish off this products very easily and efficiently. The arm and the kadai is removable here, so it is easy for the cleaning purpose also. So this is basically a 3-phase machine with 8 kilowatt and up to 10 kg preparation can be done. And this kadai, an extra arm can be given with the machine. Customization can also be done according to your requirement. For single phase also it can be done with for 5 kilowatt.